Hi, my name is Star from Smart Depot, and this is the time to move on. No, I'm talking about this phone. This is the RedMagic 10 Pro, the fastest smartphone of 2025, at least at the time of recording this video. I've derived it with the iPhone 16 Pro here, and it beats the iPhone 16 Pro in everything, video editing, exporting, benchmarks, calls, everything you can talk with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and also a cooling fan inside. This guy is a machine, a gaming machine. But the bigger problem is, why will I move from the fastest smartphone on the Android side to probably the slowest flagship of Android? And I'm talking about the Pixel 10. I really don't know whether I'll regret the decision, but here is my reason. I'm going to be giving up this phone. Yes, I'm going to sell it so I can be able to purchase the Pixel. But stay tuned, because there's something that's going to be interesting for my viewers, subscribers, and followers at the end of this video. So will I regret that? Of course, I don't know yet, but I'm going to miss this phone. I'm going to miss all I use with it. I'm going to miss the speed, the cooling fan. As somebody who is been into app development, coding, I study computer science also, I am overdue to keep in and lock in on AI. And I've been telling to myself, what exactly is the thing that will make me to look at AI related stuff every day? And that was answered when the Pixel 10 series came out. The Pixel 10 is not going to give me the speed I'm getting from here. No, even in the next 2 years, I don't think it's going to beat the speed of this guy. But what Google has done is that they have actually taken the maximal utility out of the Tensor G5 and giving it the best AI performance on a smartphone. And added to that, you're getting Google AI Pro 1 year subscription, where I get to play around with VO3 Fast, and all other stuff that comes with the Google AI Pro for 1 year. And for me, I begin to think that, yes, the Pixel 10 is something that's going to make me to go back into AI, begin to write AI prompt and begin to do things about AI, maybe study more about AI and all that, which has been my desire and something that I want to do for a long time, but at the expense of missing the fastest smartphone that I've used, and still the fastest smartphone of 2025. At least this is August when I recorded this video. It might be displaced by the new iPhone 17, but I would love to wait and see for that. So I want to get the Pixel, and also the iPhone 17 is coming soon. So I'm going to be getting the iPhone 17 and also the Pixel 10. So I have to sell this one. So, but here is the deal. So if you're a viewer, a subscriber of mine, and you live in Nigeria and you need this phone, I'm going to give you a strong discount. This is where I've already put it up. I put it up on Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to drop the link here if you want to check it out. But if you're a viewer or subscriber in Nigeria and you follow me and you want to get the RedMagic 10 Pro, you're a gamer, or you want to get the fastest out of a smartphone, then I'm going to give you a strong discount, and I'm going to ship this phone to you wherever you are in Nigeria. If you're a follower and you're interested in RedMagic, some of you have asked me in the comment section, all over the social media, in the past, but now is the time. I'm going to give it up for sale, and I want to get the Pixel immediately, as fast as I can. And yeah, I don't know whether I'm going to regret it or not, but my decision to go back, start doing things related to AI every day and improve my AI prompting and coding and other things related to AI is something I will cherish maybe in the future. So yeah, let me hear from you. Do you want to buy a RedMagic 10 Pro? Of course, this is a review unit. We just use it for review. Still, everything's still intact, good as new, so you don't need to worry about everything. And of course, I put a screen protector so it doesn't get scratched for anything. So it's still clean, it's still new, and at a very good discount price. So yeah, let me hear from you in the comment section if you want it. My DM is open for this particular phone sale. I don't usually sell phones, but yeah, some of the review units I get, I sell it back so I can buy others, to keep giving you the up-to-date tech and information on smartphones. So yeah, make sure you subscribe if not subscribed. Probably you might be the one that will get the special discount I'm going to give to my subscribers and followers. And like, share, follow, whichever one it is. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace to our world.